guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, like and share. JW Marriott. We have to close over there. The cross over there. Okay guys, so today we are going to check in JW Marriott KL. It's a 5-star hotel in the middle of Tipintang. So let's see, what is this hotel like? So guys, actually JW Marriott closed and it has been shifted to Ritz-Carlton. So we need to go to Ritz-Carlton to check. This is weird because JW Marriott is available on the online app, right?
I was so excited to check into JW Marriott. I just don't get it why such a reputable hotel didn't inform the guests that we will be transferred to Ritz-Carlton, or at least don't make the room available online so that we won't book the room. We have arrived at Ritz-Carlton to check in, but there is a slight problem here. You know what? The room is not ready and there's no estimation time given. So what are we gonna do in the next few hours? Finally, we received a call at 5 p.m. that the room is ready. Yay! But I think it's not fair for us that we have to check in late. So we request to check out late, and the latest was 1 p.m.
Okay, you can put your bag over here. Here is the hair dryer inside. Laundry bag. Interesting. This is nice. Laundry bag. Bathrobe. Iron board. Safety box. And this is a shoe. Oh wow, this is nice. Beautiful shoe. Let's see how's the quality like. Ah, this is good. Very thick. Okay. Another important thing when you come to the hotel to see is the toiletries. What do they have here? Oh, this is fancy. This is nice. Okay. So they have body lotion. What is this? Oh, mouthwash. Interesting. Shower cap. Shaver. Okay, this is unusual. Toothbrush. Okay, this is important. They have two toothbrush. Okay, but let's see. Let's try this. What does it smell? Oh, smells good. And next thing, what do we have here? Okay, so So this is soap. I believe this is a hand soap. Ooh. Wow, I like this. This is Asprey London. Please ignore my skin is getting a little bit dry these few days, but Asprey London smells good. I like this. Water glass, small pond. Everything is so neat and clean, and huge mirror. And the best part is they do have a TV, so you can watch TV while you're chilling in the bathtub. Interesting. Okay, let's see what do they have here. I think this is salt. Oh yeah, they do have some salt here. I'm not sure what kind of salt, but I think maybe like a Himalayan salt. This is nice. They also put the soap over there. I think this is the same one like the one at the sink just now. Soap. Oh, this is nice. And let's check the shower. I really like this. So fresh, so clean. Okay. Shower gel. Shampoo. Conditioner. So this is all from Asprey London. Alright, and this is the shower. Hot and cool water. The toilet is good, okay?
One of the coolest thing about this hotel is that this hotel does have hand bidet in the toilet.
Okay, so let's check here. The empty drawer, they have towels. I think this is nothing. They also have here some decoration. They have a coffee machine here. Mini bar. Okay, so let's open. Oh wow! Yeah, espresso. Interesting. They have brown sugar, white sugar, some tea. This is good. This is awesome. And this is a coffee machine. I'll show you later how we can make coffee from here, but the glasses, right? It's actually underneath here. You have to open this. And it is here. This is so nice. Okay. It's quite tight, so just be careful. They have wine glasses, teacup, and also kettle. Okay. And let's check what's next here. It's empty. So this is the mini bar. They do have some sparkling water, wine, and other drinks. So if let's say you take the drinks, let's say you take over the drinks over from the mini bar, this is what the price that you have to pay. Okay. And what else is empty? That's all. Interesting. So guys, this is how does it look like in front of Ritz-Carlton at night. Whew. So it's raining tonight. Alright, let's roll. Okay. So during the MCO right now, before you go in, so you have to check the temperature and scan as usual. Okay. So this is the entrance. So how do you guys can use this machine is that make sure you turn on. Ada kat sini ada satu button. After you turn on, there will be a blue lights here. So these blue lights will blink. When it stops blinking, that means that it's ready. For that, you make sure you put in the water. Okay. So I'm gonna make my coffee now. And then let's pick one. No, the cafe. This one. Okay. So
make sure the cover is facing the other side, inside, okay? Just put it inside here. Good morning, guys. So we are going for breakfast.
So that is the way to the banquet breakfast.
All right, thank you.
All right, that's enough. Yeah. Thank you. We have marmalade, strawberry, marmalade and strawberry. Sour cream, bread. Okay, so this is the first round of breakfast. Got some sausage. Oh, the sausage was so good. Potato, tomato, coffee, and apple juice. Okay guys, this is second round. Pancake, okay? And then after this, we're gonna get some more.
Hey guys, so I'm checking out today. Overall, I give you 5 stars. Yes, it's a 5-star hotel, luxury, everything is awesome. I really recommend you guys to stay in here, even though we can't travel much, but if you're within KL Selangor, I'm pretty sure you can come and check in. And the best part is it's in the middle of Bukit Bintang, and right now the stay is I think less than 500 ringgit for a night, and it's worth it. Okay, it's worth it. So if you guys ask me what do I like the most about the hotel, is that I like the bathroom with a TV and they have a fancy coffee machine. So last thing before you check out, make sure that you check all the beds, make sure to check all the stuff, and turn off all the lights, okay? So stay tuned for next video.